So HBAR crypto, HEDERA HASHGRAPH, is a public distributed ledger operating on a unique consensus mechanism called the HASHGRAPH algorithm. And it has become a massive player in the area of RWA tokenization. And in this video, we're going to break down why HBAR could be the big play of this decade, and at least of this bull run when it comes to RWA. There's going to be a lot of big players here. You know, you've got XRP, you've got Chainlink, you've got Avalanche, you've got Ondo Finance, you've got HBAR, and I love all of these plays, and I especially like Ondo. But I think HBAR could be getting overlooked because unlike traditional blockchains, HashGraph provides benefits like higher scalability, low latency, and it's super energy efficient. Now, HBAR, of course, is the native crypto of the HEDERA network and serves as the utility token, and it's used for network services, and it's a staking mechanism for maintaining the network security as well. So when it comes to HEDERA, it's fast and it's scalable, it's low fees, it's energy efficient, and it has the ability to have enterprise adoption because HEDERA has arguably more partnerships than anybody else. And in this video, we're going to give you guys some of the recent news as well. They were just at Davos. They were showcased how HEDERA could be used for real-world impact, like AI, tokenization, and also some news about investor interest in HBAR. Definitely caught my eye today. We'll talk a little bit about that as HBAR. It could be setting up for more price continuation upwards. We'll take a look at the chart later on in the video too. So this video jam-packed. If you're interested in HBAR, HEDERA HashGraph, this video is for you guys. Smash the like button, subscribe down below, and let's get into it because when we come to RWA and HBARs Role, let me just show you what ChatGPT has on here. And I think this is fascinating. So HBARs Role and RWA tokenization, it's emerging as a strong platform for RWA because it has high performance. It can handle many transactions per second. Its token service, HEDERA token service, which they already have rolled out, allows easy creation, management, and transfer of tokens, including RWAs. There's a lot of security and trust within HEDERA Governing Council. You've got a lot of global enterprises, and then integration with enterprises. HEDERA's partnerships, which if you scroll up here, they've already got partnerships with major companies like Google, IBM, and Boeing as part of its Governing Council. So it is very, very well positioned. Okay. And tokenizing ownership of property, real estate. HBAR could do this. Supply chain management and finance, digitizing invoices and other financial instruments for better liquidity, carbon credits. Platforms are building on HEDERA to tokenize carbon offsets for sustainability initiatives, and then art and collectibles. So HBAR is super well positioned. And we recently saw total inflows reach 40 million despite volatile price action. So HEDERA has witnessed strong inflows coming in. Throughout December, HEDERA pulled over 60 million in investor inflows, causing its price to surge from lows around 13 cents to 36 cents. I was stacking HBAR down at 6 cents, 7 cents, and 8 cents when nobody was talking about it. But then in January, inflows have spiked here this month. Throughout the month, there have been a ton of signs that inflow volume may return to December levels. And HBAR has been ranging for most of the month, getting ready for another potential breakout. And as artificial intelligence causes chaos in traditional markets, HEDERA made an appearance at Davos 2025. And HEDERA was showcased how decentralized tech drives real-world impact there, leading discussions on ethical AI, tokenization, and advancing greater regulatory clarity. And they were a big part of Davos 2025 at the World Economic Forum. And All in Crypto, fellow YouTuber here in the space, says HEDERA inflows surge as new investor interest in HBAR sets price up for continuation. And he's got the latest in his breakdown here. And it says here, for HEDERA, 2025 will be a year of expanding its decentralized finance capabilities and making new expansions in the AI sector. And exciting times ahead, I think, for HBAR, along with RWA and the future of real-world asset tokenization. Now, when we come over here and take a look at the chart, let's go into the daily here, and I'll give you guys kind of what we're seeing right now. We have been on a little bit of a downtrend lately. Okay, since its pop up here to almost 40 cents, which was back on the 17th of January, but it's still very much range bound when you zoom out here. And this was the initial big pop that we had up toward 40 cents back in early December. Okay, and since then, we've been basically trending sideways, kind of caught within 40 cents to the high side, around 25 cents, to the low side, and basically trading within that 25 to 40 cent range. Currently, right now at 30 cents. And I think this is honestly an interesting opportunity to accumulate right now. Now, last time we got the big momentum up on HBAR, guys, check this out, man. What an awesome opportunity this was back then. And I think we're going to get another opportunity like this again. Last 81 days, it's up 508%. That momentum up was flashed on November 8th, Friday, after the election went through. 508% returns. If you had XT Algo, my trading indicator, you'd have been all over this. You'd have been buying HBAR down here at 5 freaking cents. I mentioned this was the big momentum up moment here for HBAR, and we caught it, right in here, right on the run up, right around 8 cents. We started to get into HBAR right on this candle here after the momentum up flashed. I wanted to see that continuation. We saw it continue, and we have been off to the races since then with HBAR. But I still think HBAR is severely undervalued at these price levels, guys, considering all of the partnerships they have and all of the potential use cases they have in the emerging sectors that are here in crypto, right? So if we're looking, for potentially undervalued crypto plays here, of course, XRP's been a lot of talk. There's been a lot of talk around it. I still think, Chainlink and Avalanche and Stellar have an interesting thing going on here. But HBAR is a top 15 crypto and kind of goes under noticed and underappreciated. I think HBAR could be one of the biggest winners and could win the RWA race, right? If you sort RWAs here, you'll see who's up top by market cap. Chainlink and Avalanche and HEDERA. They're all 1, 2, 3. And HEDERA is not far in market cap from Chainlink and Avalanche, right? Chainlink just under 15 billion, Avalanche about 13.5 billion, and HEDERA close to 12 billion. Now, I do think Ondo Finance is severely undervalued here at 4 billion as well. Same thing could be said for Algorand and XDC down here. Yes, I like me some VeChain. I don't own any Mantra right now. I do like XDC and Quant, both under 2 billion. This entire RWA sector, I think, is set to explode. To me, this is the next big wave. This is the next big influx of huge institutional capital that will come into crypto. And this list could be a great place to start in terms of trying to find some great gainers. And you know what? These are assets, in my opinion, that you can go to bed sleeping at night knowing that you're holding something of substance. Yes, all of crypto is speculative, but these are assets that actually have some substance behind it and some big players also. So that's my take, guys. Let me know your thoughts down below. And if you hold HBAR, let me know your thoughts in the comment section and where you think this thing's going. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe. And we'll see you guys in the next one.